first thing first, you must make sure you have a Telegram app. Okay, so I'm on the Telegram app right now. I'm gonna click on the Pixel mini app, then launch the bot. Okay, so once you have a Telegram app, you can benefit from this giveaway. So now this is the giveaway. It's gonna end in the next 5 days. Okay, so 220,000 giveaway. They've done one before. This is another one, the second one. So, and the first one, some people actually benefited from it. So this second one now, you and I can also benefit from it as well. So if I click here now, you're gonna see the details. So as you can see right here on the screen, we are announcing the second stage of our giveaway for the coming week from June 17th to June 23rd. So it actually started yesterday. We are doubling the reward and now raffling off 220,000 USDT between the top 500 of the weekly leaderboard and 500 participants who invite at least 4 people in the week. Don't try to abuse the system. We keep track of all cheaters. Okay, so don't try to cheat. So all you just have to do is, you're going to see the link to create an account in the description box or in the comment section. So once you click on the link, it redirects you to Telegram, then you'll be able to register. So once you open the mini app, okay, you'll be able to copy your own invite link. Okay, by clicking invite here, you're going to see your link. So you copy the link. When you click on invite friends, you're going to see your link. You click this copy icon to copy your link and share it with your contact. Okay, so you need minimum of 4, okay, to be eligible, minimum of 4 people. So just share the link with your contact. Okay, don't spam. Okay, so you can post it on your WhatsApp status, post on Facebook groups, share it on your Facebook wall, okay, and other social media platform. Okay, and once you do that, okay, definitely people will join Pixelverse through your referral link and you'll be able to be eligible for the giveaway. Okay, so that's the update, guys. I really hope you find this video helpful. If so, please make sure you like, comment, and share, and most importantly, if you're here to subscribe, make sure you subscribe to this channel for more updates. I'll see you guys until next time. Peace out.